Built to withstand harsh environments, including wide temperatures, dust, and moisture, industrial computers are designed to handle complex tasks in automation and manufacturing, which will keep your applications up and running where other computers can't. When selecting an industrial embedded computer for automation and manufacturing processes, there are several factors to consider. 1. Environmental conditions. It's important to choose an embedded computer that can withstand the temperature, humidity, and dust levels of your manufacturing plant. Look for an industrial computer that has a high IP rating, which indicates its level of protection against water and dust. 2. Performance. Industrial computers need to perform complex tasks quickly and efficiently. Look for a computer with a powerful processor, ample memory, and storage space. 3. Connectivity. Industrial computers need to connect to various sensors and devices in the manufacturing plant. Look for a computer that has multiple input-output ports and supports various communication protocols, such as Ethernet, USB, and serial. 4. Reliability. Industrial computers need to operate 24/7 without any downtime. Look for a computer with a long lifespan and a warranty that covers any defects or malfunctions. And 5. Customizability. Every manufacturing plant has unique requirements, so it's essential to choose an industrial computer that can be customized to meet your specific needs. Whether you're seeking a fanless embedded computer system, rugged touchscreen technology, high-performance industrial motherboards, or a reliable all-in-one PC solution for a harsh environment, Industrial PC supplies a wide range of the most trusted embedded computers on the market for automation and manufacturing. Shop online and customize your quote at industrialpc.com.